Plumbing inspired by James Golden. Emergency eye wash station. Boom. Get you some. We turn that on. Voila. Boom. Bright lights. Goes all the way up. Way up there. Valve it off. I call it complete. I call it complete. You can see the flux, and the flux from the non-corrosive, no-corrode flux. You can see it inside the filter. Nice. All soldered, all soldered, all soldered. No leaks. It's live. It's live right now. That thing is live. Emergency eye wash. Like, share, and subscribe. If you're not inspired, be inspired. Plumbing inspired by James Golden.